students, today we are going to learn lesson number 8, subject EVS, caring for plants and animals. So in this lesson we will learn the plants and animals around us, the care of plants and animals, trees in my surroundings, a useful tree near my house. So everyone take out your textbook and listen carefully. Our first point is thinking. On the way to school, we see many plants and animals. Do they have a family like us? Who do they belong to? Students, you can see many plants and animals on the way to your school. Did you think about their family? What is your thinking about them? Let's we see. We have learnt about the different places in our surroundings. Now let us discuss the plants and animals we find in our surroundings. We find different types of plants around us. We see plants in gardens, parks and along roadsides. Some people also keep plants inside their homes. Farmers also grow some plants as crops in their fields. For example, wheat, rice and so on. We can also find many different plants in the forest. We also see different types of animals around us. Some are found on the streets. For example, dogs, cats and cattle. Some animals can be seen at the zoo. For example, monkeys, bears and so on. Animals like the frogs, fish and ducks are seen in and around lakes and ponds. We often see birds and squirrels. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some animals that we see on farms or fields. Some animals are found in forest. For example, elephant, lion and tiger. So we should understand that plants and animals around us help us in many ways. So we should protect them. To protect means to take care of something. What can we do to protect plants and animals? Can you tell me, students? We should not cut trees. New trees should be planted. We can use a plant cage to protect baby plants. We should water them regularly. We should take care of animals too. We should provide them with food and water. We can use bird feeders to provide food and water to the birds around us. We should not harm animals. Plants which we have in our house belong to us. The crops in the fields belong to the people who grow them. But to whom do the trees in public places like gardens or roadsides belong? They belong to all of us. So we all must take care of them. Trees help us in many ways. They give us shade. They are the home for many birds and animals. They have colorful leaves and flowers. So they make our surroundings beautiful. Some of them also give us fruits. So we should take care of all the plants around us. Did you know, students, we can find some birds in our neighborhood only in some seasons. These birds come from distant places. The Siberian crane is one such bird. It is seen during the winter season only. Students, you can see here the picture of Siberian crane. So students, what we learned from this lesson? We learned that plants and animals have no family. They belong to us. They are like our family because they help us in many ways. So we have to take care of plants and animals around us. So here it is, our lesson is completed. Everyone have to read this lesson 5 times.